Hey guys, how you doing? Futures are looking not necessarily good, but not bad. We're at 45.57, so it's roughly going to be a 455 on the S&P 500. So not bad, but I think we're still low, right? We're still at break even. We're not necessarily. Oh, I bought some NFTs. I'll make a video about that a little bit later. Where is my? Here it is. Yeah, so Bitcoin is dropping pretty big. Yeah, those huge candles right now on Bitcoin. But that's not something that we want to talk about right now. US 5. I'll make another video for Bitcoin by itself. But um, as of right now, I would not be surprised to also see, look at that. We just had, you're more than likely we're going to have a bear close on the 30-minute. I'd say I'm bearish on futures. I think we're going to go down roughly again to like 4,500 on futures. Um, Keep in mind, it's more than likely going to follow Bitcoin, right? Look at that. It's already breaking trend. Look at that. Breaking trend already. It already broke 30-minute. Um, yeah, I think a big part of me thinks we're still going down. I mean, a lot of people are thinking that because, we're sort of okay right now on futures, we're not going to see red tomorrow. I actually don't. I actually still think that we're gonna trail down on futures. Even though right now we're a little green, we're basically around the same place that we were on Friday. I still think we're gonna go down a little bit lower, or maybe even a lot lower. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.